Today, according to Gartner, the 70% of the project it's fail. Okay.
Mm.
The problem is that even today, the biggest software, you need to have a sequence. So in this world, we have a physics to step one by one. I mean, the
Right.
AI and going to this level, it's an augmented of what you are doing. Okay. But if you don't have what you are doing well declared, then you cannot augment it, or you will augment something wrong faster. Like
Mm.
Bill Gates has said, if you have a waste in your process, you just have it as a digitize. Okay, you still have the waste, but you bring it to your digital
Right.
world. Process intelligence here, it's meaning that you need to look at it, you need to describe it well, you need to make sure to remove all the unnecessarily double entry. So you really take it to the lean
Mm.
and optimize it and smooth it and make sure that you map it using the simple framework of a quality for troubleshooting the problem that is called CPOC, supplier, input, process, output, customer. By the end of the process intelligence project, you should end up to understand who is key, what, where, and when. If you don't have this initial phase, your continuous, when you go in the project, there will be problem happen. You will not be able to trace back where is this problem. And this framework helped me a lot when I was working to develop the BI dashboard. I map all the process, I make the CPOC. So I have to understand. So in the future, whenever there is an error in the dashboard, I could know exactly where it happened, from which entry in the ERP, and who is behind it, okay, according to the process map. So if you don't do this kind of infrastructure first, you will not be able to implement the technology. Now, there is another big trap here. You maybe even end up to use the wrong technology, like the case I bring about it, correct?
Yeah.
So it may be that your technology that you needed is an automation. It's not an AI, it's not a BI, it's an automation. This is the gap. I have discovered with one of my customer, everything he explained to me, Microsoft Access is
Mm.
all what he needs. That's the technology is right for him. As simple as that, yes, it can be as simple as that. He don't need to go to the ERP. He has only 5 users. His transaction is very limited. So Microsoft Access is the ideal technology. If you don't do the process intelligence, you will not be able to select the right technology. I think that when it coming to the technology's availability, let's today I think it's become available. Okay,
Yeah.
the technology is become accessible, it's become available. Today we can see with the AI when they roll out a new function, they maybe start with some region first, but it gets
Mm.
definitely cascading. What you have it is like sometimes maybe there is some agent of this technology available in your country, and sometimes the agent who are providing the technology maybe not existing.
Mm.
But I think
Mm.
today it's become accessible. Everything can be done remotely. You don't need really somebody to come to your place to do the setup. I mean, the technology even has helped us to remove the barrier of really the availability of the on-site support, unless for, of course, a physical devices and machines and equipment. Yes, that could be instead of you are going to call the service company, they will come next day because they are in your country. They may be coming after 10 days because they need to send somebody overseas. But even for this kind today now, we have this new with the eyeglass with the digital. They can
Yeah.
connect it directly from the center and the headquarter. They can tell you, okay, show us what is in your electronic room. We need to tell you. They can even guide you remotely. So even this technology has helped us a lot for this part. AI will not replace you, but somebody who know AI will do. In
Yeah.
fact, even when you look into this one, this statement, I will rephrase it to somebody who know how to integrate technology in the business model,
Yeah.
okay, will even replace the person who know AI. Okay. So if you bring to the company solution with the AI, but somebody else he bring the solution, the right technology that is faster, cheaper, he will be the winner, not because of your no AI. So it's not true. This is I don't agree a lot with this statement.
Yeah.
Look, today I think we need to run behind. For example, I have to be from every 2 weeks. I need to sit down on Google new blogs, read what's happening. It is
Right.
really moving fast. So you need to first select I don't need you to select it. My recommendation, do not overwhelmed with so many to follow so many channels, because the technology is going to be the same. I mean, this time we heard about NanoBana was the top in images. Now, image 2 coming from ChatGPT, but the technology of creating an image from AI, this is what you need to know. Google is a very good starting point. You should be taking sometimes those the software developer, they issue the courses that it is quick, you can finish it within 1 hour, from 1 to 5 hours. Go ahead and push yourself to learn. The technology is really moving faster, okay?
Right.
The third thing that will keep you is that when you open the tool, always let your eye see if there is any additional button has been added. Okay, what it is this one for? What's this options? Oh, they add notebook inside Gemini now. Okay, what's this one? Let me search about it. Put yourself with a curiosity that you always do not let you open the window. You go strictly to the chatbot, you enter your question, and you exit without notice. So this is like you enter your home, they have changed the furniture, but you just straight away go to your bed, you sleep. Next day you come out, you didn't even see that they changed the furniture around you. So try to have this type of curiosity to explore what are the new functions that has been added to the interface that I am seeing it. By keeping this one and keeping engagement, follow magazines like the Energy Talks, I think it brings experience. All these things will help definitely you to keep you updated with the technology.